Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hookah at home. First, gather all your essential items: your hookah, shisha tobacco, charcoal, and water. Before assembly, make sure every component is thoroughly clean. Then, carefully assemble your hookah, ensuring all seals are tight. Fill the base with water, making sure the downstem is submerged by approximately 1 inch. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable smoking experience, so take your time with these foundational steps. Next, let's focus on packing your shisha bowl, a critical step for flavor and smoke density. Gently fluff the shisha tobacco to separate the leaves, promoting excellent airflow. Then, lightly sprinkle the shisha into the bowl, ensuring it's not compressed or overpacked. You want it to be airy. Leave a small, consistent gap of about 2 to 3 millimeters from the bowl's rim to prevent the shisha from burning directly when the charcoal is applied. This technique ensures an even burn. Now, let's prepare the charcoal. Use natural charcoal cubes and light them thoroughly until they are fully glowing red on all sides, with no black spots remaining. This ensures consistent heat. Carefully place 2 to 3 hot coals evenly around the edge of your foil or heat management device. Allow the bowl to heat up for approximately 5 minutes before taking your first puff. This preheating period is essential for the shisha to reach the optimal temperature for rich flavor and thick smoke. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly prepared hookah. Take slow, steady draws to savor the flavors and produce thick, satisfying smoke. To maintain consistent heat and prevent the shisha from burning, remember to rotate or adjust your coals every 10 to 15 minutes. After your session, it's crucial to clean your hookah thoroughly. Disassemble all parts and wash them with warm water and a brush. Proper cleaning ensures hygiene and preserves the pure taste for your next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.